Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your Oxford Progressive English book and open your page number 2. Today we're starting unit number 1, Fiza's Family. Unit 1, lesson 1, listen and speak. First of all, we listen to somebody and then we speak. A part, talk to your friend. He is talking to his friend. Hello, what's your name? He replied him, Hi, my name's Ali. What's your? I am I am Aman. Nice to meet you. When you feel happy to anybody, you tell these words like nice to meet you. If you feel good, then you tell somebody, okay? Listen and color the picture. Be part. Listen and color the pictures. What is this? This is mug. What is this? This is bat. What is this? This is jug. What is this? This is pen. What is this? This is dog. What is this? This is bus. What is this? This is hen. Now you color all the pictures. Okay, neat and clean. Sing this song, Daddy says. Daddy says, stand up. Now you also do action, okay? Sit down, turn around, point up, point down. Okay, now sing it with me. Daddy says stand up, Daddy says sit down, Daddy says stand up, Daddy says turn around. Daddy says point up, Daddy says point down, Daddy says point up, Daddy says turn around. Okay, your homework is you practice these dialogues. Okay, now you open your page number 3. Look at here. Unit number 1, lesson 2, phonics and words. Read these words with the vowel sound. Vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These words are vowels. Okay, now read it with me. C-A-T, cat. H-E-N, hen. P-I-N, pin. P-O-T, pot. J-U-G, jug. In all these words, we have vowels like A, E, I, O, U. These are vowel words. On the next line, we have M-A-T, mat, P-E-N, pen, T-I-N, tin, D-O-G, dog, B-U-S, bus, B-A-T, bat, T-E-D, T-E-double-D-Y, teddy, I-N-N, O-N, on, C-U-P, cup. On these words, also we have vowels A, E, I, O, U. Next line, we also have vowels like A, E, I, O, U. Okay, these words are vowels. These words have vowel sounds. Draw a line from the word to the correct picture. Okay, now we match the diagrams with the correct words, okay? Like Game Boy. This is Game Boy. Teddy bear. Where's teddy bear? Here. Okay, match it with teddy bear. What is this? This is flower. Okay, match it with flower. Okay, what is this? This is book. B-O-O-K, book. Okay, match it with book. The picture of book. V-E-N, van. Match it with van. Here is van. B-A-L-L, ball. Where is ball? Okay, here. Okay, match it with ball. B-A-L-L, ball. Okay, now we are doing C part. Complete the sentences about the pictures with the words in the box. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. The first word is running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. M-E-N-D-I-N-G, mending. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. P-I-C-K-I-N-G, picking. Hitting, hitting. Okay, example is here for you. He is reading a book. Of course, we read a book, okay? He is dash a ball. He is hitting. क्या कर रहा है? What he is doing? He is hitting a ball. Number second, she is running. Look at here. She is running. She is dash with a Game Boy. She is playing with a Game Boy. Number 3, she is dash a flower. She is picking a flower. Number 5, he is dash a van. He is mending a van.